Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to automatic dub YouTube video in multiple language. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work, and we are going to dub or convert YouTube video into multiple language automatic. So we enable feature. Now you see settings, so click on it. Now setting open, and then you see upload default, so click on it, and then advanced settings, so again click on it. Now you see automatic dubbing automatically translate your audio track into different language and adds them to your video. So we allow automatic dubbing. And then you see manually review dub before publishing, review dub in experimental language, so you can click on learn more to read instruction. Now close, and then we are going to upload, create, upload video, so drag and drop here. So we edit video. Now you see uploading. So we are going to add some title and description first. So we edit all information, and then you see in detail automatic dubbing, manually review dub before publishing. If you want, you can uncheck this option, but automatic dubbing enabled by default in setting. And then you see review dub in experimental language. Now we are going to publish the video. Now click on publish. Now publish done, so click on detail. On left side you see language, so click on it. Now you see review your dub voices, you see option. This feature is new and may not represent your voice. So this is our experimental language. Now you see French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Spanish, publishing. Now you see audio, publishing, automatic, so click on it. Now you see title, description, you see all thing. And then you see dub, automatic, publishing, still not published. And then you see manual subtitles, so click on it. Now you see auto translate, so click on it. Now edit, and then click on publish. And then you see French subtitle publish, one published. In audio you see publishing. Now after few minutes you see audio publish automatic, refresh the page. And then you see language French, audio publish automatic, automatic mean by YouTube. And then you see subtitle one publish, manual mean it's added by me. And then you see title and description publish automatic mean by YouTube. Now you see all published done. So in this way you can convert or dub your YouTube video in multiple language by using automatic dubbing feature. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.